Бах, нихуя! Еще и танк въебал.
Let's start with some footage of Urozhaine being liberated. The video shows Russian units fleeing and Ukrainian warriors putting up the Ukrainian flag. To be continued. To be victorious, Ukrainian defender says in the end.
Далі буде, далі перемога. Слава Україні!
The Russian soldier removed the action as he happily announced himself. Action is the destruction of a Russian tank standing next to his trench.
Бах, нихуя! Еще и танк въебал. Вот это же, нихуя я экшен снял, бля, буду. Заснял, все заснял, бля. Бля, вы вперед, смотри.
And ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Magyar, Jaga Jaga is back. The hunt is Russian self-propelled gun.
Джага-джага, перший ззаді злетів.
І повірте мені, що та башня недаремно поскакала, ось ви не бачите відкритого повня, кумулятивний заряд робив свою роботу, починається характерне задимлення місця враження.
А це вже грибочок після детонації БК в тій самоходній артилерійській установці, а це вже для нас.
This is what the same surface drone that terrorizes the Russian fleet in the Black Sea looks like up close. The head of the Security Service of Ukraine for the first time revealed details about some technical features of sea kamikazes, which were designed by specialists of the security service. For example, about 850 kilograms of explosives on board. The name of the drone is Sea Baby. Russian soldiers from Perm Krai who voluntarily came to wage war against Ukraine are complaining about the lack of financial support, salaries, from their region. Apparently, the blood money is needed to prepare their kids for school and support their huge families. It is unclear how they got by for years before being presented with such a fantastic financial opportunity.
Равнодушным гражданам России, президенту, правительству России, мы все жители Пермского края, заключившие контракт и идущие выполнять свой долг перед Родиной, нашей России. Ни один из находящихся здесь, рядом со мной, не получает материальную поддержку от губернатора Пермского края Дмитрия Махоина. На что нам неоднократно при обращении был сугубо отрицательный ответ. У всех у нас есть дети, внуки, нетрудоспособные близкие родственники, оставшиеся без материальной поддержки с нашей стороны. Наша просьба, чтобы нас услышали и оказали поддержку. Исходя из того, что все регионы, основные России, в принципе, 1-2 региона только не оказывают материальную поддержку военнослужащим. Где-то выплаты 500 тысяч, где-то 300. У нас вообще не рубля. Как нам собирать детей в школу, как все делать. Соответственно, люди остались на грани фола. Все ли согласны с моими словами, ребята?
Yeah! The American rock band The Killers was booed in Batumi because of a Russian on stage. The band's lead singer Brandon Flowers invited a fan to sit behind the drums. Flowers asked the fan where he was from, and after he answered, he said, "This guy is Russian. Do you mind if he comes up here?" "I don't mind." This caused outrage among the audience. Flowers also said that he considers his fans to be brothers and sisters, and that music has no borders. These words made people even angrier. Some fans demonstratively left the concert, and the Tbilisi radio station even took the band's songs off the air. The Killers later apologized and stated that they didn't mean to offend anyone.
You finished yet or no? You want to flip me up? You come up here. You want to come up here? I'm not your brother? One of the things that we have come to appreciate about being in this band is it brings people together. And tonight, I want us to celebrate that we're here together. And I don't want it to turn ugly. And I see you as my brothers and my sisters. And we are about to play a song called Runaway Horses.
The Russian Ministry of Defense unveiled a new exhibit today at Patriot Park. A theme park opened in 2015 in celebration of the Russian or Soviet military and their victory during World War II. The exhibit is of Western military equipment utilized by the Ukrainian armed forces that has recently been captured. This includes Swedish CV-9040C IFV, French AMX-10 RC-wheeled AFV, Finnish XA-180 APC, Australian Bushmaster armored vehicle, British Saxon APC, British MXT MV armored vehicle, and British Mastiff MRAP.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.